Hi guys, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Naglalakad ako ngayon dito po sa Pavilion Mall here in Malaysia. I think it's a lunchtime, so that's why a lot of people walking, trying to queue up here. I think they're going to buy some drinks here. And here is Starbucks, my favorite shop. Ayan po guys, marami pong restaurant po dito. They're not expensive, they're affordable. So it's lovely to come here. Naglalakad ako dito guys, every other day. Kasi gusto ko yung maglakad-lakad pa. And then maganda kasi guys pagka yung may nakikita ka na ibang tao talaga, di ba? Tapos pupunta rin ako dito, bibili ako ng bread kasi they've got nice bread. Ito naman po yung ice cream shop, frozen na ice cream shop. It's a nice mall actually. Kung sa Pilipinas pa, nasa Greenbelt pa. Sabi nila yung mall sa Pilipinas, Greenbelt na pangmayaman. Pero I don't think it's only for pangmayaman guys. Pwede naman pumunta kahit na hindi mayaman, hindi maraming pera. You know, just enjoy life. Diba? Ito naman yung London L&In, bagong bukas yata, siguro mga 2 months ago pa lang. So they have lots of people coming here also for lunch, ganyan. I haven't tried, pero I don't know kung ano yung kanilang food, but it could be a nice food, maybe coffee and cakes. So yung bagong bukas po, marami po talagang taong pumunta dyan guys. I think one day I will go there and also have a look. Ayan, maganda yung kanilang setups. Ayan. And so this is Pavilion, and this is Coffee Bean. So my favorite in Coffee Bean is like hot latte, and also yung cone nila, kasi masarap po yung cone nila. So guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood kung saan man kayong sulok ng world natin. Thank you so much. And see you soon again. Ingat po ang lahat. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.